Famous for its white beach with soft, powdery sand, it's one of the top tourist spots in the world for swimming, sunsets, and nightlife. El Nido, known for its beautiful lagoons, limestones, cliff, and crystal clear waters, perfect for island hopping and snorkeling. Coron, famous for shipwreck diving, lakes, and turquoise lagoons, a paradise for divers and nature lovers. Siargao, called the surfing capital of the Philippines, it's popular for its wave, island hopping, and natural pools. Panglao Island, known for white sand beaches and amazing dive spots. Tourists also enjoy dolphin watching and island tours. Mactan Island, a famous island for water sports, snorkeling, and luxury resorts. It's close to Cebu City, making it very accessible. Pagudpod Island, nicknamed the Boracay of the North. It has long stretches of white sand, strong winds, and scenic views. Sama Island, popular for beach resorts and diving spots. It also has the Montfort Bat Sanctuary, the largest colony of fruit bats.